Hello, my name's Jay, and I've never done one of these videos before. I don't really talk in front of cameras either, so this will be fun. This is my first attempt at a gear video. I do a lot of song playing. You know, I'll just fire up the camera, play a cover, but I also spend probably way more hours than I want to admit looking at guitar gear videos, and I buy a lot of that gear based on the videos, so I thought I'd try a little unboxing, a little review video, and then maybe I'll play a song at the end, and see how it goes. So this is a new pedal that I just got. It is by a pedal company. I think they're based in Jersey, called Deadbeat Sound, and they're an interesting company. They're definitely a boutique pedal company, but they don't charge hundreds of dollars for pedals. These boutique pedal companies will make really high dollar pedals, but these come in right around 50 to 60 bucks usually, most of their line depending on what it is. So this one is their chorus pedal that they've called the Wet Dreams Chorus. Open it up here. Nice little box. Oh, it's magnetic. That's fun. And there's the pedal right in there. That's kind of neat. A lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Definitely thought it was going to be the size of this large box, which is a bigger box than you usually find with a pedal, especially these small pedals like this. And there it is. Pretty small little pedal. This is in this box here. A little manual how-to kind of thing. It's a pretty simple pedal. It's got depth, speed, and level, which is pretty standard for a chorus. So they give you two patch cables right out of the box, which is nice. I feel like you buy pedals and you have to add to your order like 3 days. Oh, we've got a cat now. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get you down then. And it comes with a power supply, which is also nice. A lot of pedal makers won't do that, so really nice. Nice little box. So definitely a nice construction out of this. I'm kind of wondering like how they can do a pedal at such an affordable price. A lot of these pedal makers will sort of like reskin circuits from other companies. I think I read something online that it looks like they're reskinning Behringer parts. It'll be interesting to see if it sort of sounds a lot like that. Okay, so I got it plugged in, and we're just gonna run some sounds on it. You know, the other gear, I've got a Gretsch Electromatic. It's double cutaway. I'm running it through this no-name tube amp that I found, and I'm miking it up with an AKG condenser mic. So this is the dry sound, just the guitar going into the amp. This is on. The settings on that are the speed like just at about 12 o'clock. Depth is, you know, pretty low, and then the level is all the way up. The amount of out of tune the second signal is with the dry signal is your depth. The speed is the depth of which you'll get that beating. So if you crank the speed up, it'll sound like a faster warble. But the level here, which is interesting, is what's going to get you a louder effect signal out of the pedal itself. So if you turn it all the way down, you're going to get no chorus effect. You'll just basically get dry signal. But if you turn it all the way up, that's where you get the effect signal coming out. So, you know, whatever's happening inside, I'm not sure, but it sort of acts as an effects send. So I'll show you the difference with the speeds. If you go higher on the speed, it'll sort of just give you a different character. Sort of on the lower end of speed, you'll get, I think, more subtle. So I think that's sort of the more kind of like that richer chorus that I think a lot of people go for when they're looking at to just sort of fill out their guitar. And that's kind of like the depth is where I would say that the usable range of this pedal is. Once you start getting even to like halfway on this, I'll put both the speed and the depth to 12 o'clock, and you'll start to get kind of like a silly sound. So that's, you know, this is still fine, I think, for certain like solo-y sounds. I mean, what I'll be using this for on my board. So that's the pedal, and that's how it works.